Hi, welcome to Footech Mitra. Come let's see about psychrometric chart related formulas. Wet bulb depression. So wet bulb depression is given as the difference between the dry bulb temperature and wet bulb temperature. So T suffix D denotes the dry bulb temperature and T suffix W denotes the wet bulb temperature in Kelvin. If the relative humidity is 100%, then the dry bulb temperature will be equal to wet bulb temperature. That is, both the dry bulb and wet bulb temperature will be the same at RH 100%. So in that case, wet bulb depression will be 0. Next is relative humidity. So relative humidity is given by the ratio of the partial pressure of water vapor in kilopascal divided by the vapor pressure at saturation in kilopascal into 100, and it is represented in percentage. Humidity ratio or specific humidity, and it is denoted by H, and it is given as H is equal to 0.622 into partial pressure of water vapor divided by total pressure minus partial pressure of water vapor, and this is represented in kg of water vapor per kg of dry air. And next is saturation humidity, H suffix S, and it is given as H suffix S is equal to 0.622 into partial pressure of water vapor at saturation divided by total pressure minus partial pressure of water vapor at saturation, and this saturation humidity is represented in kg of water vapor per kg of dry air. Next is percentage humidity. So percentage humidity is given as Hp is equal to H divided by Hs, that is humidity divided by saturation humidity into 100. So it is represented in percentage. Next is humid volume. So humid volume is given by V suffix H is equal to 22.4 divided by 273 into 1 by 29 plus H by 18 whole into T. So this can be written as V suffix H is equal to 0.00283 plus 0.00456 into H whole multiplied by T. So where T is the dry bulb temperature and H is the humidity ratio, and this humid volume is represented in meter cube per kg of dry air. And the next term is enthalpy of air-water vapor mixture, and it is denoted by H. It is the measure of energy content of air, and the total enthalpy is given as the sum of sensible heat plus the latent heat. And the formula to find the enthalpy is H, that is small h is equal to 1.005 into capital T plus 2501 plus 1.88 into capital T the whole into H, where T is the dry bulb temperature and H is the humidity ratio, and this enthalpy is represented in joules or kilojoules. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like the video, kindly comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.